Tequila Mockingbird, that's the name of Harper Lee's novel from 1960. And Tequila Mockingbird is the name of the cocktail we are making today. It is believed that this cocktail originated also from the 1960s and that it got its name from Harper Lee's famous book. It's an interesting mix of tequila, green mint liquor, lime juice and simple syrup. So without further ado, let's make a Tequila Mockingbird. Well, obviously, since it's Tequila Mockingbird, we are going to start with Tequila Reposado, 60 ml, 2 ounces. Followed by 15 ml or half an ounce of green mint liquor. Third ingredient, lime juice, 15 ml, half an ounce. And last ingredient, simple syrup, 10 ml. So a little more than quarter of an ounce. Now we need ice. And we're going to shake our cocktail for 10 to 12 seconds, like always. Beautiful. Ooh, smells minty. And tequila. Can I say tequila? English speakers, come on, help me. It smells like tequila. Now we need a martini glass. And we're going to fine strain our cocktail into our martini glass. That's it. As for garnish, just find a nice big mint leaf and just drop it in. I'll allow myself to be picky. I think this one's big enough. Yep. Just let it float. That's it, ladies and gents. Tequila Mockingbird. Cheers. Well, that's an interesting mix of flavors. Mint, tequila, lime. You can taste any sweetness from the simple syrup. But this is actually, it reminds me of a mint chewing gum. Or a really, really nice toothpaste. Yeah, more like a toothpaste, but in a good way. It has that citrusy side, that minty side, and of course tequila is not dominant, but you can taste it. Believe me, you can taste it. If you like tequila, if you like mint, this is your drink, so try it and let me know in the comments below what you think. That's it, ladies and gents. Another interesting recipe, really easy to make, 4 ingredients only, Tequila Mockingbird. If you had a chance to try it before, let me know in the comments below. If not, try it, and of course, let me know what you think. This has been another easy recipe on simple drinks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you real soon in the next video. Bye bye.